Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Ratha Devidasi with an amazing recipe. Today we are going to prepare a signature dish which is always a preferred one. We are going to prepare Paneer Butter Masala. This Punjabi originated sabji has been the most appreciated with its amazing flavors. This is a very easy and perfect dish of all time. For preparing this instant paneer butter masala, you are going to require very simple ingredients which are easily available also. We are also going to prepare a superb gravy for it which is immensely delicious. So let's get started. First, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a mud pot or pan. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 2 cardamom pods and 4 cloves. Add 10 to 12 cashews. Saute it for half a minute. Add 1 slitted green chilli and 4 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. Mix it. I have listed down all the ingredients with their measurements in the description box below. You can refer it. Add salt to taste. Mix and cook it for 5 minutes on medium flame. Cover the lid. After 5 minutes, let's check. The tomatoes have softened. Add 1 cup of water. We have shared many sabji recipes and you can find all in sabji recipes playlist which link has been shared in the description box below. Cook it for 7 minutes on low flame. After 7 minutes, this is done. Now turn off the flame and let it cool completely. The mixture has cooled. It is mandatory to cool it completely and then only grind. Transfer this into a mixie jar. Grind it into a smooth paste. Let's check. Our smooth paste is ready. You can see it is very creamy. Heat 2 teaspoons of oil and keep the flame low. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon dry fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. Mix it immediately or else it will burn. Next, add the gravy that we have prepared. Add 1/4 cup of water in a mixie jar and add it. Add salt to taste. Mix it well. Adding chili powder and coriander leaves in the oil gives a good color and flavor to our gravy. Let it cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Keep stirring in between. After 5 minutes, our gravy is ready. You can see its beautiful color. Now add 4 tablespoons of malai or fresh cream, and I had added 1 tablespoon of sugar to this cream or malai. Add half teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it. Next, add 200 grams of fresh paneer cubes. No need to cook it much after adding the paneer. Cook it for a minute. Next, add 2 tablespoons of butter. The butter gives a wonderful glaze and flavor to our sabji. Our paneer butter masala is absolutely ready and it thickens as it cools. Turn off the flame now. Here I am serving it with fulkas. You can serve it with puri, paratha or tandoori roti. I have shared tandoori roti recipe and its link is in the description box below. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer it to Lord Jagannath. Prabhupada says anything can be done by practice. So if we take Krishna Prasadam, the tongue is restricted, then our all other senses become controlled. If you like Bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any Bhoga recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.